Welcome, all Arduino fans, to the third tutorial of the series Arduino in Robotics. Today we will look at IMU. What is it? IMU is an abbreviation for the Inertial Measurement Unit. This component consists of gyroscope, magnetometers, and accelerometers. With the IMU, we can measure angular rate, force, and magnetic field. At first, we will connect the IMU to the Arduino board. Then, I will show you a program for Arduino that sends measured data over a serial line. And in the end, we will look at simulator receiving this data and representing them in a real-time 3D model. In the tutorial, I will be using IMU 9 version 5 by an electronic manufacturer Pololu. Connecting the IMU to Arduino is very simple. To power the component, we will connect the 5 voltage pin from Arduino to the voltage in pin on IMU. Then we will connect the ground pins. The bus I2C is used for data communication, so I am going to connect SCL and SDI pins. The connection was very simple, wasn't it? The second part of the tutorial is about an Arduino program. The manufacturer Pololu has published sample source codes on GitHub, which I will use now. You can find the link to the source codes in the description of the video. I have already downloaded the repository, so let's see what is inside. Whole code is divided into a few modules, and this is the main module. For now, let's look at what the program does. When I upload it and open Serial Monitor in the Arduino IDE, we can see only some unintelligible binary data. It's data from IMU, and we will need a computer program to interpret it. Such a program is also in the downloaded repository. Here you can see Python script, which can create a 3D real-time model from receiving data. But at first, I highly recommend looking at the README file. For running script, it's necessary to install software that is listed here. And it's important to install it in that order. And the last very important thing, it's necessary to install just the mentioned versions. There are newer versions, but the script will not be working with newer versions of listed software. I spent a lot of time trying to run the script, and just because I had a newer version of VPython. Then I downgraded my VPython and the script immediately began to work. If you have finished the installation of all these tools, we can continue. I'm going to run the script. Oops, error. It's because my Arduino board has to be connected before running the script. And the correct COM port has to be set in the Python script. If you don't know about COM ports, look at the first video of this series. Let's run the script again. Now everything seems good, and after a second, our simulation will start showing rotation and orientation of IMU in space. The binary data received via a serial line from Arduino is being interpreted with VPython as a real-time 3D model. The model is very accurate. You can see the tilt along the x-axis, tilt along the y-axis, orientation by compass, and overall position in space. The model was the last thing to show. I believe the tutorials helped you in the beginning with Arduino. I wish you good luck with further learning. And if you will have any interesting creations, be sure to show them in the comments. Bye!